Okay, so today I'm making breadfruit punch. Yeah, so me have to boil the breadfruit first. So when these come to a boil, I'm make it cool down. Then I'm gonna show you the next step. But right now, me have to cook the breadfruit first before we move on to the other step. Cool. So we'll be back to show you the original breadfruit punch. Yeah. Okay, so I boiled the breadfruit and it's all cooled down and ready to blend. So let me show you all the ingredients. Okay, I'm using vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, mixed spice. This is evaporated milk and sweetened milk. So those are all the ingredients. And now we're gonna start putting some of the stuff in and blend. Okay, so I'm gonna pour it out. So that's the texture you get, so it's smooth. Blend it out, no lumps. Yeah, so I'm gonna do another portion. Yeah. Yeah, that's one portion. I have couple, some just turn on the light and stuff. Yeah. And I totally forgot to tell you, I'm gonna put in some Rian Nevia in the thing. Okay, one more thing I forgot to mention. The same water that I used to boil the breadfruit is the same water I used to blend it. So make everybody cool and things. So now we're gonna add in with spice. I should have showed you on the first one. Why me cover it? Okay, so I'm gonna add in my nutmeg, that much, and cinnamon, that much, and some mixed spice. It's a job. Alright, then I'm gonna add on back the cover. Okay, make sure it's locked. Then we're gonna start up. Okay, so now I'm done finish blend. I'm gonna put in evaporated milk, all of it, and my milk, sweetened milk, all of it. Maybe I gotta end up need more. Cause this thing nice, come like an ice cream when time it cool and nice. Yeah, man. I remember we adding our spices already while made a blend. So this can show look shape out, mix it out, you know. Alright, we put them, yeah, strong up the back. Alright, and now it's time to mix. And see, thick and nice. Yeah, thick and nice. So I'll come back when I finish mix it. Okay, so I had another pin of milk, sweetened milk, and plus I'll add more vanilla, nutmeg, and cinnamon into this right now. So I'm gonna mix this in, and then I get back to you when I'm finished. Okay, so we're about to finish mix it. I did put in everything. And trust me, I did a little taste test earlier and it was really, really good. Yeah. So I have nothing left to do is to put it in the fridge for it to get cool. And that's breadfruit juice. Look how smooth that is. Blend it out real smooth. Yeah, same water that you use boil it, the same water you use to blend it. And you put in the mixture, whatever you want to use. If you want to put Guinness in it, you can put all Guinness in there. But today I don't feel like putting Guinness, I just use rum. You don't know, we are nephew. And that's it today.